Invoices. They are documents used in maintaining transaction record between buyers and sellers. There are several types of invoices in business, such as these are standard invoice standard invoice issued by the business to a client. Credited invoice, credit invoice, also known as credit memo, issued by the buyers to a client for correcting an error previously made or providing a defined or discount. Debt invoice. This is also known as debit memo. It is issued by a business to a client for the increasing amount owed by the customer to the business. Mixed invoice. A combination of both the debit and the credit invoices. Pro forma invoice. This is issued by a business to a client, estimating the cost of services before other types of include interim final expenses report, some time sheet report, and commercial of invoice. Human resource financial records. In an organization, this accounting of expenditures that related to a human resource as asset. There are several objectives under human resource management, which are set aside. 1. The facilitation of HR is the management people, which is an organizational resource. Provision of information to pertaining the cost and the value of the human resource. To illustrate whether the human resource is maximized effectively or not. To aid in decision making management on acquisition or allocation, development and maintain performance of human resources to the objectives. The other is provision of accounting details of human resources to outsiders, e.g., finances, sorting and classification of financial records. 1. Coding, storage, cleansing and appraisal of financial records. The other is financial records. Financial records needs to be coded by this. It should be contained fewer. It should contain fewer letters and numbers for easier retrieval and memory. Financial data should be also be regularly cleansing. This implies the special software should be used. Special software should be used to clean for the obsolete records separated from relevant data. Financial records need to be frequently evaluated to determine if they contain information is evidential and informal. Other obsolete data should be disposed. Obsolete data should be procedure as of disposal. Data disposal is previously stored in
KSB Members Forum. Tilda Beryl Olivia Akiang.